Hi, I'm Abby Matanis, and in this presentation, I'll be discussing 5 sustainable development goals that will have meaningful impacts for our company. The 5 sustainable development goals that we should be focusing on in order to begin creating positive impacts for our company and for our community are diversifying proposal services, creating a new department focused on sustainability consulting, assessing our environmental impacts, lobbying for new standards and regulations, and focusing on employee well-being. Our first sustainable development goal is providing additional services when sending out proposals. This goal would focus on what current regulations and project needs are and how the company could increase the positive impacts of projects by including additional services when writing proposals. Since the goal of writing proposals is to secure a project by having the lowest cost and the highest quality service based on regulations, we could begin this new process by having a section of the proposal that outlines additional service options that would include costs and an assessment of the long-term impacts if these services were to be added. This new addition to proposal writing would set our company apart from competitors and increase our expertise. With this new addition would come a new opportunity for our company to invest in a new sector that could be utilized by many different departments. This department would focus on sustainability consulting. The sustainability consulting department could be used for both in-house consulting as well as an outside business consulting to develop a more sustainable approach to environmental projects and businesses. By adding this department, it would increase our company expertise and services that are offered. Another valuable addition would be the increase in collaboration amongst departments. Oftentimes, there are projects that could benefit from multiple departments working together, and the sustainability department could act as a liaison between the departments. Eventually, as this department grows and develops, it would provide a new stream of revenue for the company. The third sustainable development goal that our company should focus on is assessing our environmental impacts. The first step in this process would be to measure current impacts focusing on greenhouse gas emissions from all sectors of the company. The next would be to analyze the information collected on sectors of the company that are producing the most emissions and implement methods of reducing those emissions. These methods could include investing in an electric vehicle fleet, reducing travel, improving office building efficiencies, and partnering with more businesses with a focus on environmental well-being. Once methods to reduce emissions have been implemented, analyzing and reviewing the results of these methods could provide insight as to which methods are the most effective and lead to new methods in the future to further reduce emissions. Our fourth sustainable development goal is lobbying for new regulations and standards. This is an important goal for our company because it allows us to share our expertise with the community and provide a way to serve more people. By sharing our knowledge about how to better the environment and improve on already existing regulations, it will push for higher standards and regulations for which our services are based on. This increase in regulation would allow us to do more work to protect the environment and the community while creating new opportunities for us to add services in our proposals. Our final sustainable development goal will focus on employee well-being. The purpose of this goal is to ensure that employees are gaining the most experience and providing the highest quality work during their time at the company. Employees should be meeting for quarterly reviews as a department and individually. Increasing the number of reviews should provide more feedback on how employees are feeling regarding workload and quality. These meetings should be a safe place to express how employees feel their performance has been, as well as how their supervisor's performance has been. It is also important to provide employees with a clear pathway for how to grow within the company and how the company can help them achieve their goals. Another action that will improve employee well-being is creating employee resource groups for different communities within the company in order to give everyone a safe space for expressing themselves and connecting with people that can relate to them. And finally, increasing benefits for employees will improve well-being by providing better healthcare, retirement plans, and paid time off. With these actions, employee retention should be higher, work quality should improve, and overall employee satisfaction with the company would increase.